back to my channel. Wish you a very happy Christmas to all. Being one of the most auspicious festival, Christmas is celebrated with more happiness and joy all over the world. Here in Singapore, there is Christmas light up all over the country, and today we will try to show you Christmas light up and decoration on Orchard Road. I started the road walk journey from the Far East Plaza and could not resist myself from shooting this beautiful Christmas tree decoration in the front of this plaza. Now I am heading to the Orchard Road and you can see the festival fever all around the road, which is a delight to watch. Talking about the Orchard Road, it's a 2.5 km long situated in the center of Singapore and is the famous tourist attraction especially for renowned international shopping brands, coffee houses and restaurants. Also, one of the interesting fact about Orchard Road is it's officially declared as a strictly smoke-free zone except within designated smoking areas. When we go into the history, this road had distinct presence in British administration way back from 1930s and later. There has been major development in 1970s and in last 2 decades. This road is connected to 4 major MRT stations including Orchard, Orchard Boulevard, Somerset and Dhoby Ghaut MRT stations. Here is Iron Orchard Mall. Iron Orchard Mall Square is the center of Orchard Road and almost all the people want to visit this place, especially in the Christmas to see light up and decoration. Iron Orchard houses 6 double-story flagship stores of close to 9,000 square feet, and the mall has a walkway leading from Orchard Boulevard to Orchard MRT station, which is also called as the Orchard Boulevard entrance. The first LED lit subway entrance was opened on June 2008 at the MRT station. The view you are seeing now is taken from the local bus, which covers the entire Orchard Road. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all my latest video notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.